the rapid development of cities. What accompanies our good life is high-pressure living environment. In noisy cities, less and poor sleep is a common problem among people and directly influences body rest and toxin expelling. Good sleep and eventually bring health to people around the world. Tian's Health Pillow can keep our head cool and feet warm, which is preferred for sleep. Tian's Health Pillow combines 5 kinds of materials for health to releases 3 energy factors of magnetic energy, fair infrared, and negative ion in an endless flow continuously, and make highly pressured brain relaxed completely at night. With unique design of dual concentric rectangular shape, it could effectively lower center of gravity of our head, enclose head and neck vertebra. In the middle of the pillow, jade and amethyst are filled in orderly manner, which help our mind to tranquilize and lift cell vitality to bring comforts of natural massage to head. The neck area is filled with far infrared negative ion granule and Tian's energy stars to doubly release energy factors so that alleviates fatigue and discomfort of neck vertebra. Pillow interior core uses EPE, which is light, air permeating, and pressure resistant. The surface affinity layer uses tourmaline, antibacterial cloth, to reduce breeding of bacteria, which is skin friendly, comfortable, and able to make you enjoy health while in sleeping.